Or that was volume, but I think it is there. Yeah.
Preparing for Hurricane Sandy.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, decided to get back in the truck.
It's cool.
Because it looks exactly the same from here.
That's cool. Waves are breaking like crazy.
Better hope they built that stupid pier sturdy this time.
Yeah. Yeah, that would suck. Let's just be punishment.
I would love for that thing to go down.
Why?
Because
Yeah, why?
it's not Harrison's anymore.
Say that there.
Stupid Ocean View fishing pier.
Even if it falls, they're probably not gonna fix it. I mean, they're gonna fix it back to Harrison, or Ocean View Fishing Pier, not Harrison. Just saying.
We'll be doing more exciting coverage on Hurricane Sandy tomorrow. About 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully we don't lose power so I can charge this. And we'll keep you updated on how it goes. But as for the moment, it's not too bad here in Norfolk, Virginia. We're going to, yeah, I don't know what to say. But all I know is it's gonna get worse. And if the back of my truck falls off again, I'm gonna go throw it out in the water. And hopefully somebody will come get it. That'll be their problem then. Wind's picking up here. And there's Sarah.
Hi. How you doing?
Sitting in the truck, nice warm truck. And if you look out the back of my truck's getting ready to come off. And for me, we're signing off.
Oh my god. What's wrong with you? Did you think? I thought you were signing off.
I am. I'm signing off, okay? Christ. It's gonna be a bad one. Probably not.
Did you just sign it off already?
It's not time to sign off
You
yet.
just said you were
Well, you
signing
know,
off.
I changed my mind. This is exciting coverage here.
Oh, actually, that was pretty sweet.
Big old waves.
Under the pier. Probably gonna get knocked over.
If this thing goes down, I want everyone on YouTube and Facebook and wherever I put this video up to like it. Because that's a piece of turd sitting out there.
Alright, I hope.
Anyways, signing off. Good night. More footage on the way. Keeping you updated.
You're the worst teleman ever.
I'm not a teleman. I am a cameraman.
Can we go save that bird? There's two of them.
I don't want to save the goddamn bird.